and today I'm going to continue and share more ideas related to circle shaped crafts. So in this video we are making a little penguin, a rat and a snail. So without any further delays, let's get started. Now I'm going to show you how to make a penguin. So for the penguin, you will need two circles which are folded in half. So they will be semicircles. One white which is larger to the black than the black one. I have used these lids to create the circles. Another circle to make the head. Googly, this time I am using a googly eye. You can draw or make a cutout also. And this black triangle to make a tail. And these two small orange triangles to make the feet. And a larger triangle compared to these two to make the beak. So let's start making it. First I will take the white circle and I will apply glue on the black and I will apply glue on both ends of the black one, and I will stick it, adjust it and stick it over here with the white one. Now we will complete this part. So take the legs, partially open the circle, and before that apply glue, a little bit glue on the top of the triangle legs. Now at the bottom side glue it, and do the same thing but up, after a little bit distance up. Adjust it and remember to keep a little distance. Now we will take the tail and we will apply the glue on the edge part, and we will stick it like this. Now keep this aside and grab the head, circle and googly eye or the eye you have made, and the beak. So first glue the beak as I'm showing, apply the glue on this edge. And stick it to the head. Now apply glue on the googly eye or the eye you have made. And stick it on the head. Now grab both the things. Turn the bottom part of the body over like this and apply a little bit glue and stick it over the head, and lastly glue the bottom part to close, and there you go, your penguin is ready. Now we are making a mouse. So For that, you will need a circle for the body, a smaller circle for the head, and two little circles for the ears. Two of the same color and two of the different. You will need a curve cutout for the tail and 6 narrow black cutouts of rectangular shape for whiskers. So now let's start gluing all the pieces. Also, you will need a marker to draw the face. So apply a little bit of glue on the body, on the front side of the body. And glue the head over it. Like that. And now we turn it over and apply a little bit glue on two places. And take one other color's circle and glue it in this position. And then take the other one of the same color and glue it. And now apply a little glue over the surface like that, and glue the bigger circles of the different color. Glue it a little above so it looks better, and it looks like this. Now we will draw the face. First, draw the eyes. And now draw a triangle which is upside down. And from the end, do it like this. Now let's glue the whiskers. 3 at one side and 3 at the other. So we are done with the whiskers. Now we are going to draw the tail. Stick the tail. So apply a little glue on the front side of the tail. Oops. And stick it at the behind part. And there you go. Your little mousey is ready. Now we are going to make a snail, and for that you will need a big blue circle which is going to be folded in half and made into a semicircle, a red colored circle which is going to be the shell, and the blue one is going to be the body. These two narrow pieces which are going to be the part of eye, and these two small circles are going to be eyes. So let's start gluing the pieces. Also, you will need a pen to make the eyes, the smile and the shell lines. Now let's start gluing the pieces. First of all, we are going to fold this in half and make it into a semicircle. And now open the glue, and we are going to apply glue on the back part of the shell, and we are going to glue it. We can refer it like half of the circle, red circle, is in the body and half is rising up. Now we are going to get the two narrow ones and flip the craft over, and we are going to carefully apply glue and take the circle, one of the circle, and here is one eye. We will make the same thing with the other two pieces. Apply a little bit of the glue. Take the circle and stick it. Now we are going to stick the eyes. So apply glue on the front part a little bit, like that, and stick it at the back part. From the front, it shall look like this. Do the same thing with the other eye. Apply glue on the front part. And stick it. Like this. It shall create a shape like this. Now we are going to finally draw. First, let's draw the eyes. Make small circle. And now I'm going to make the smile. And now we are going to make the shells pattern. So we are going to make spiral, like this, and there is the snail. Hope you all enjoyed making these circle shaped crafts. If you want to make more such circle shaped crafts, you can watch this video by clicking over here. For more such fun and interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.